How to change video quality on YouTube. Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. Today we have prepared a video for you on how to change the video quality on YouTube. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Then find and open the video you want to watch. I will open a video from our channel. The first step you need to do is to tap on the video. Tap on the settings button in the top right corner. The first field is quality. Click on it to open it. As you can see, it is automatically set to auto-recommended, which ensures you have the best experience according to your conditions. However, if you want to set the video quality yourself, you will use the advanced option. Open it. Why should you manually set the quality? The reason is that sometimes your internet connection might not be strong enough, causing the quality to drop. However, you might need a higher quality to see something clearly in the video you're watching. There you have several options to choose from. I will now select the lowest quality, so I will select 144p. The change I made is immediately applied to the video I opened. Now I will repeat the process, but this time I will choose the best video quality. I will select the 1080p 60 option. And you will immediately see with the change how the video is clearer. If this video was helpful, check out our other tutorials on the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more digital tips and tricks.